Hi student, in this exercise we will learn how to create points table in Civil 3D for the corner of these parcels. You already seen some of the power of dynamic points editing. Now let's look at those dynamic edits can be used to your advantage in points table. Most commonly you may need to create a points table for survey or stakeout data. It could be as simple as a list of point number, northing, easting and elevation. These type of tables are easy to create using the standard point table style as a beginning reference. So you can follow this step to create your points table. When you will open this drawing, you can get this drawing from the description link, and when you will open you can see there is no point in this drawing. The file will appear empty, but isn't first you will review reordering points group properties to change the display of points. Then we don't need to see points to make a point table from a group, but this will help you see that the table reflect the specific group. So in the prospector tab here, under the points group, you can expand your points group and you will see that no display points group is at the top, which means the style set in its proper properties are taking over the other points group. So we can right click here on points group and then go to the properties. In the listing, move the group corner to locate at the top of the all points group. Then you can click OK. Right click to corner to locate point group and then you can select zoom to, so it will show you all points under the corners to locate point group. So now we have all corners for these parcels and we need to create points table for all of these points. How can we do that? Switch to annotate a ribbon tab here, and under the add table you will see add points table. When you will click on the points table dialog box, you can see table style. It should be corners to locate. I already created that for you, but we can discuss that later, that how can you create table style for points table. Here under the no points group selected, we need to select corners to locate because we are going to create a table for this group. So press OK, and here you can see split table. We don't need to split this table for now, so you can uncheck this selection, then press OK. And it will give you a points table. Now you can place this table in anywhere in the graphics to place your table. So now you can examine that we have point number, northing, easting and description. If we want to add elevations or anything else in this group, then we can do that in points table properties or points table style, which we already created, and we will discuss that later in another exercises. Hope you like this video. For these type of useful videos, stay with us.